Alright then guys, so welcome to another episode of our introduction to that. Currently working on OOP as object oriented programming in that. In our last video we looked at access modifiers. In this video we are going to talk about methods and override methods. So any function we create on an object is known as a method, is termed a method, though it's a function, but since it's inside an object, it's referred to as a method. Okay, so if we are creating objects, by default, they have some methods it comes with. For example, the toString method. So if I do object orange dot, I get this method which is toString, but I did not create any method on this object that says toString. That's because this class, a class object, inherits from an object which has an override method toString. So if I run this code, I still get yummy and other stuff, but toString is not bringing out anything. So if I comment this out and rerun the code, I'm not getting anything. Okay, but it's a function that is available. So that is termed an override method, meaning we can override this toString method to make it print out whatever we want. Okay, so inside our code for the class, you would add a method that has the same name as this. So I'm just going to copy and say and paste it here, but this time around it's returning nothing, so I'll add a void to it. Then since it's already inheriting the toString method, I should add at override to it, then clear this void. Okay, so once I add this override, I'm overriding a function that has already been created, so it must be of the same signature, which is a string. toString is returning a string, so I have to return string, which is going to be the type. Then I'll return something that is string. Okay, so I want to return the name of the object, its color, and its shape and its size in some sentence. Okay, so I'm just going to say my name is, okay, let me just make it name is this dot name. So I'm putting this, so it brings me back here, name. Then I'll do a tab, then I'll say color, then I'll say this dot color, then I'll do a tab, then I'll do shape, then I'll do this dot shape, then I'll do a tab, and I'll say size, and I'll say this dot size. Okay, so this is the function that we are overriding to create our own. At the moment, it was not returning anything, but we've now created our own and then it's returning something. So when I come back here and rerun this code, let me save. Okay, so I can now wrap this in a print statement and just run this code again. So this time around I'm getting name is orange, color is oh, shape I changed shape and color, but no problem. You get the idea. You can format this to look the way you want it to. So let me change this back. So color. Oh, okay. So I think it's just with the instantiation. So it's supposed to be name, color, then shape before size. Okay, so if I run this code, I get name, color, shape, and size, which is exactly what I was looking for. So that is an override method. In our next videos, we are going to be talking about other concepts in OOP that you might find very interesting. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.